Owning property in Canada. In addition to the costs at the time of purchase, don't overlook the subsequent tax policies. Hello everyone, I'm Koen, focusing on Vancouver. When it comes to avoiding risks in real estate transactions, many homeowners get penalized simply because they don't understand the rules about vacancy taxes, speculation tax, and other regulations. If you don't file on time, you'll be fined. So today, let's take a closer look at 3 key real estate taxes: Vancouver's Empty Homes Tax, EHT, BC's Speculation and Vacancy Tax, SVT, and the Federal Underused Housing Tax, UHT. Here's my advice. Homeowners, like and save this video. Vancouver's Empty Homes Tax, EHT, implemented in 2017. Goal: increase housing supply. In 2024, tax rate based on assessed value. Key point: declare every year, even if property not vacant. The deadline for the 2024 tax year declaration is February 4th, 2025. If you don't declare on time, your property will be considered vacant, and you'll not only have to pay a fine of $250 Canadian. The main exemptions include primary residences and eligible long-term rental properties. However, exemptions for stratified properties have been cancelled. Let me explain further. BC's Speculation and Vacancy Tax, or SVT, was introduced in 2018. It targets areas like Vancouver and Victoria, and the tax rates are divided into 2 categories. Canadian residents pay 0.5%, while foreign buyers or non-residents pay 2% annually. Declare by March 31st each year. Missing the deadline incurs fines and interest unless exempt. Main exemptions are for primary residences and properties rented on long-term leases of at least 6 months. Those meeting criteria can be exempt. Lastly, there's the Federal Underused Housing Tax, or UHT, implemented in 2022. This tax mainly targets non-Canadian residents and certain entities, such as foreign companies. The tax rate for trusts is 1%, and the payment must be declared by April 30th each year. The minimum penalty for late filing is $500 Canadian. Canadian citizens or permanent residents are usually exempt. However, properties held in trust still need to be reported, so homeowners must file on time to avoid hefty fines. If you have any questions, it's recommended to consult a professional tax advisor. If you have any questions about tax policies, feel free to reach out to me. I'll help you avoid risks. See you next time.